My name is Kit Leung. I was brought up in the UK, although I was born in Hong Kong. I studied architecture and I'm an architect qualified in the UK as well as in Hong Kong. I came to Macau approximately 10 years ago. My career started as an architect and then became a project manager. And now I'm a client representative and developing a resort in China. I think my career highlight, I would say, is that for one of the projects I worked on in Southeast Asia, in Thailand, was a 6-star resort in a very remote island. That was one challenge, to actually work in a remote island. As I always mention that, work, you can always resolve, you can always find a solution. Whereas people, it's changing all the time, From morning to night, can be a completely different person. So you have to deal with people all the time. And in few occasions, I actually have to resolve personal issues among staff, among the team, and sometimes, among the contractors and, and with the consultants as well. I think that if we can actually sort out the, human issues, I think all the other problems can be resolved. I think it's how to build a trust between people. I think for future, it's getting very hard, especially among the hospitality group, because clients, visitors are have a taste of everything now. They travel all over the world. The demand is getting higher and higher, and we talked about point of difference. How do we actually keep the people stay? How do we actually make sure that they will come back? Also, people are more aware of the brands. They want to have confidence. They come here, they spend money with their family. They want to ensure that they will have a good time, have good value for money. So how do we do that? What kind of things that we need to entice them? How do we actually attract them? How do we keep them? Is it food? Is it entertainment? Or is it activities? Or is it a combination of that? And I always say that, 5-star hotel, 6-star hotel, what does that mean? Is it just a good service or good experience? Or when in terms of crisis, when there's a problem, that this hotel operators can actually deal with the situations? I think that is one of the challenges.